Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is concept. We are going to learn the concept of big and small and tall and short. Okay, tell me which one is big? इनमें दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा एनिमल है? Which animal is big? The elephant is big. Elephant बड़ा होता है ना, और and the ant is small. The ant is small. Big, small. Big, small. Now you guys tell me which one is small. Which ball is small? This ball is small and this ball is big. Big, small. Okay, you see two bowls. There are two bowls in this picture. Tell me which one is big? This is a big bowl and this is a small bowl. Big, small. Big, small. Okay guys, look at these two blocks. Can you tell me the difference between these two? इन दोनों में क्या फ़र्क है? ये वाला बड़ा है और ये वाला छोटा है. This one is big and this one is small. Look at this. It's big from all the sides and this is small from all the sides. ये हर जगह से बड़ा है और ये हर जगह से छोटा है. This is big and this is small. Now let's find the small things. Tell me which of the things are small? Is this butterfly small? Yes, this butterfly is small. And the rabbit is also small. The train is big. The train is big. And the car is also big. Small, big. Small, big. Now you guys tell me which one of these is tall. इन दोनों में से लंबे कद का लड़का कौन सा है? इस लड़के का कद लंबा है. This boy is tall. और इस लड़के का कद छोटा है. This boy is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now look at these two trees. Can you tell me which one of these trees is short? इन दोनों दरख्तों में से कौन सा दरख्त छोटा है? इस दरख्त का कद छोटा है और ये दरख्त बहुत लंबा है. Short, tall, short, tall. Now there are two giraffe. एक जिराफ बहुत ही लंबा है और दूसरे जिराफ का कद थोड़ा छोटा है. अब आप मुझे बताएं कौन सा जिराफ छोटे कद का है? Which giraffe is short? This giraffe is short and this giraffe is tall. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now look at these two cylinders. They both are same from this side, but their height is different. What is the difference between these two? This one is tall and this one is short. tall, short. Now find the things that are tall in this picture. अब आप मुझे बताएं कि कौन सी चीज़ इसमें लंबी है. क्या बच्चा लंबा है? Is this boy tall? No. Is this building tall? Yes, this building is tall. And this tree is also tall. And this tree is short. And the boy is also short. Your homework is in your notebook. On this page you have to color the big ball. You have to color the big ball. And on this page you have to circle the short tree. You have to circle the short tree. That's your homework. Only these two pages. This page and this page is your homework. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.